what to do if your PC is not able to run the Roblox player or your application is not booting up. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end, and I will be guiding you how you guys can exactly do it. So first thing first, the error might be that your PC is running low on the RAM. So for that, make sure that you simply go ahead and press Control Shift and Escape key, and that way you'll be able to open up the task manager, and in here simply go to the performance tab, and you will see that there's CPU, then memory, and then the GPU right underneath at the last option. So go to the memory and you will see all the available RAM memory right here. So if it doesn't have enough memory, then you won't be able to run the application seamlessly, because your PC will hang up while running the application. And if you're using some sort of low-end PC, your processor might not be strong enough to boot it at the right time. So that could be a case. So if the issue still persists after changing the physical RAM and other stuff, make sure you still check the internet connection. Then, if your internet connection is working seamlessly and you have an right internet connection established with your computer, simply go ahead and make sure you run it as an administrator. So simply go ahead and run it as an administrator, and that way your application will boot up easily. This is it. Take care. Bye bye.